Hey guys, it's Beig here. I'm so sorry for being gone for so long. I had a lot going on, so I wasn't really able to record as much as I wanted to, but now that I'm finally back and everything's settled, I hope to be posting more and kind of reviving my channel. So, to all of you guys who stuck with me while I wasn't recording, thank you. I know there will definitely be more videos. And thank you to my friend Laser for helping me record so many videos, and this one specifically. He's the best, fake Dr. Phil. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! By the way, subscribe to Laser's channel. I'll link it below, and maybe there'll be like a little pop-up circle thing. I don't know. But yeah, make sure to subscribe to him. Bye!